soon drones are going to get banned, because of the Republicans and some Democrats. I mean, there was a drone ban in Connecticut that I thought was completely ridiculous. A lot of people think that the DJI company is a Chinese spy operation. They think it's a front for the CCP army, the People's Liberation Army. I think that's what the proper term is. It might be. I am sure that Chinese intelligence uses their technological window into the United States in order to learn a lot about our military. They have been known to fly drones over U.S. military bases. They are curious as to what our capabilities are. Trump wants to ban TikTok, but he keeps giving them extensions. Nobody really knows how to decouple our economy from China. And I think that banning drones from DJI is silly, given that the United States cannot manufacture drones for a competitive price. This drone cost $700 from DJI without the tariffs. With the tariffs, it'll cost like 20% more. But an American drone will cost like $10,000. That has these capabilities. If you want, something from, if you want a drone from Skydio, you have to spend a fortune. They don't even list their prices on their website. They're so expensive. They're really only for professional shooters. I think Skydio is only for people who have a huge budget. I mean, if I were going to speed around the racetrack on a Ducati, I would love to have a Skydio follow me because I hear they're good at tracing objects and following them. Now, the problem with Skydio, as I said in the past, is that they cost like $10,000 each. DJI sells, high-end cameras to small content creators like myself, and I've built this YouTube channel on my ability to acquire high-end prosumer devices. I'm interested in things like Canon and Sony. The tariffs are making it impossible for YouTube creators to do their job. Nobody wants to work in a factory in America. The one thing I've learned about America is that the people want, easy. People want an easy means of making money. I'm a Republican, but I don't like Trump. I mean, I think he's a coward on Ukraine and a fool on the economy. He doesn't seem to want to be honest about the effects of his economics. You could see from his firing of the Bureau of Labor Statistics chief that Trump isn't going to be very honest about anything. All right, so back to the drone issue. Yeah, you can't get like the high-end Mavic Air in America at all. It's sold out. You could only get the much sought after Mavic 4, in Canada. You could import it into America, but you can't insure it. I mean, I would not want to purchase a, $4,000 drone that I can't insure. I mean, this one I insured with AirSense, so if this gets ruined or flies away, they're going to buy me another one. Yeah, the economy is bad. There's a lot of bad news in the economy, and for the Republicans and Trump to take their anger out on small-time YouTube content creators like me, it's very it's very disheartening. I mean, I don't know what I don't know what jobs they think people like me want to do. Bright from a dusty road to a city of lights. Look what I've done.
I kept on strumming, I pushed on through. Played my heart out in every dive bar. Now the limelight's right where we are. From honky-tonks to the grand old show, who knew just how far I'd go? Look what I done did, I'm shining bright. From a dusty road to a city of lights. Look what I done did, a star on stage, living the dream of each turn of the page. Now the crowd sings along to every line, makes me feel like I've been chosen time. With my heart and soul for all to see, guess it was always meant to be. Look what I done did, I'm shining bright. From a dusty road to a sea of lights. Look what I done did, a star on stage, living, dreaming each turn of the page. I grew up in a small town vibe, dreaming big while working 9 to 5. Playing songs on my old guitar, never thought I'd ever get this far. Singing loud at the county fair, now I'm living life without a care. Look what I done did,